adding extra details to your texture. One way is creating a displacement map. So let's reduce our subdivide. Let's go to UV, make sure that we have enough information in 4K, then create displacement map. Now let's clone it and let's go to this basic material. We can close polypaint for now and texture. Now let's press alpha and crop and fill. Press yes. Now let's go to document. Let's export it to desktop, save it. Let's drag again the turtle, press T, Ctrl N. Let's go to document and have a better background. Now we can close displacement. Let's go to high poly. Perfect. Now let's open Photoshop. File open and open Zbrush cavity map. Perfect. Now let's go and add curves. But first press Ctrl I to invert. Let's go back to curves and dark, make it some sort of alpha. Okay, now let's save it. Go back to ZBrush and let's import it as an alpha. Perfect. Now let's go to mask and we're going to go to mask by alpha. As you can see, the black area we can not work on it and the white we can paint, but before that we need to go to polypaint and press colorize. Let's go back to our material and now we have more options. We can, let's go to red. We can go to color, fill object, and as you can see this fill everything in here, but I think it's too strong, so let's Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. Okay, and let's go back to red and reduce intensity. Let's close alpha and just paint around. We go to stroke, lazy mouth. Let's add some red intensity. That's a way to add more information to the texture. I usually going to bake all kind of maps and add them on top of Photoshop. Work more on texture to be more realistic. So I'm using polypaint in ZBrush just for the basic. Unmask, and I think this is all. We can make it red here. So this is all. Hope you find it helpful. See you next video. Take care.